Here's a 2015 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes with great features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Aluminum wheels. Automatic transmission. Magnetic fluid-filled shocks. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Dual zone climate control. Magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks. Automatic parking sensors. And V6 engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.